What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. Hey, welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we got an awesome video for XRP Ripple. XRP Army! We know you're out there living it strong. So today we got actually some really good news for Ripple and the SEC case. We're also going to go over a price analysis in this video. And then we're going to check the live chart. So really excited. We'll check the daily, we'll check the 4-hour. And then after that, we'll jump over to Coin Markets Pro and check out the Vortex score for XRP. The other day, it was all the way up to 75. So let's find out what it is at today. Let's go ahead and kick this thing right off. Oh, and also real quick, as in the intro, we are giving away $100. Today is the final day, the May 31st. We will start a new one for June coming up, but make sure you are subscribed to our Make Money newsletter at winwithryan.com so you can see when the announcement is made of who the winner is. Here we go. All right, so in this article by Helen Parts, court denies SEC access to Ripple's legal advice. Ripple's legal battle with US regulators continues. Ripple has scored another win in its ongoing legal battle against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission as the court has denied the SEC access to Ripple's legal advice. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn of the District Court of the Southern District of New York ruled Sunday to deny the SEC's motion to compel Ripple to produce memos discussing XRP sales with the firm's lawyers. According to the SEC, Ripple could have been aware that XRP could be a security from its legal advisors before moving forward with its token sale back in 2013. The SEC filed a motion on May 7th to compel Ripple to produce all communications discussing any legal advice Ripple sought or received as to whether its offer and sales of XRP would be subject to federal securities laws. In the latest ruling, Netburn referred to the attorney-client privilege that is meant to encourage full and frank communication between attorneys and their clients and thereby promote broader public interest in the observance of law and administration of justice. The judge noted that Ripple has not waived its attorney-client privilege despite defendants being able to waive it in certain circumstances. The ruling only pays special attention to the rule of fair notice, which requires the courts to construe ambiguous criminal statutes in favor of the defendant. In asserting this defense, Ripple claims that the SEC failed to provide market participants with fair notice that the regulator considered XRP a security. In support, it cites the SEC's 8-year delay in pursuing enforcement action against Ripple for its alleged securities violations. Even after XRP was listed on over 200 cryptocurrency exchanges, billions of dollars of XRP sales transacted had taken place, and Ripple had entered a settlement with the US Department of Justice and FinCEN that described XRP as a convertible virtual currency, Netburn wrote. Oh my gosh, everything is in favor of XRP here. It's freaking, and Ripple. It's just absolutely absurd that SEC even tried to do this. Reading that previous statement, it's like, what the hell was SEC even thinking trying to bring this case? The judge noted that SEC may renew its motion application if Ripple raises its beliefs or relies upon its privileged communication in support of its fair notice defense. The latest ruling is yet another milestone in the SEC's battle against Ripple after the regulator filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen in December 2020, alleging that XRP was a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering. Ripple has managed to achieve a series of legal victories, including winning access to internal SEC discussion history regarding cryptocurrencies in April. So basically, SEC right now is trying to do what XRP and Ripple did to the SEC, right? Because XRP and Ripple requested information about what was the SEC discussing when it comes to cryptocurrency, and now the SEC is trying to take that and ask the same questions of Ripple, but Ripple is smarter again, outsmarting the feds for sure. The court also denied the SEC the ability to disclose the financial records of Garlinghouse and Larson. So last week, Garlinghouse confirmed Ripple's plans to go public after the firm resolves its case with the SEC, stating that the likelihood of this scenario was very high at some point. This is freaking amazing news. It is crazy because XRP and Ripple just keep coming with positive news, right? And then the SEC and the FUD from the media, they just try to keep on crapping on XRP. But this is major news, major positive news. Let's jump over to the price analysis for XRP. All right, so here we go. XRP USDT currently sitting in 5th spot by market capitalization for the top 10. They are number 5. The bears pulled XRP below the 88-cent support on May 29th, but they could not sustain the lower levels. The altcoin bounced back above 88 cents on May 3rd, indicating strong buying from the bulls. If the buyers can propel the price above the 20-day EMA of $1.08, it will suggest that the short-term bottom has been made at 65 cents. The XRP USDT pair could then rally to the 50-day SMA of $1.32 and later to the downtrend line. The positive view will invalidate if the price turns down from the 20-day EMA. And if that happens, the bears will try to pull the price back to 80 cents. And if they manage to do that, the pair could then change all the way down to 65 cents support again. Let's take a look at this chart. All right, and we covered this just 2 days ago actually on this channel. So make sure you are subscribed so you can stay ahead of the curve. But as we talked about, it needed to bounce above that 88 cent mark and close with the body. That also happened yesterday. So yesterday, the body closed above the 88 cent mark. And then today, it has been making a nice move up as well. The RSI also starting to creep back up, which is nice at 44.5. And we also talked about this too, because the Vortex score was at a 75 2 days ago, and then it obviously propelled the price up as well. So great things were looking good there. Let's go jump over to the live charts. Remember what they just said though, we're looking for the price to run up above the $1.08 mark and then break and close above that. Next will be the $1.32 mark, break and close above that. And then we finally run into that downtrend line, the descending triangle, which is the resistance currently, which will probably be about $1.50 once we get there. All right, so here we have the live chart for daily. We have 3 hours left in the 24-hour candle, but we are still pumping positive, which is good. Still a green candle today. Price is currently sitting at 99 cents. It's been fluctuating at that $1 to 99 cent mark. We also talked about this mark down here, which was at 65 cent mark. And we talked about that because that was the remaining imbalance in the price in the 4-hour pricing structure. So when you go and you look at the 4-hour pricing, which we'll do here in a minute, if you find an imbalance, the price always comes back to that point. But here we've got 2 days in a row, positive news. It did come down and bounced off that 200 moving average, and now it is starting to make its way up. Also, even on our indicator here, we are getting a sell signal, RSI jumping up. So positive news for XRP. If you got in down here at that retest, that is really positive. Also, we want to see the next thing happen is the break right here. So this is our next real test. Let's go ahead and mark this off, because if we can break this spot right here again, this has been a support and a resistance in this area, resistance and support, resistance and support. We need it to break that line. That is the most important line that we have right now, $1.05. So basically we see this get to $1.06. We're looking real strong. And then we can get back into the descending triangle that we were talking about. Unfortunately, it did break below that the other day. And then it continued to fall down, but it needed to come fill that imbalance. So let's jump over to that 4-hour so I can show you what I'm talking about on the imbalance. All right, so here is our current 4-hour chart. Even on our 4-hour chart, we do have a buy signal here, which was signaled on May 29th. It's still pumping up nice. So if we go back, all right, so if we go back in time to where our horizontal ray started, because we called this signal out as a potential turn down, right? This was where it's gonna go. It goes anywhere within 5 to 10 cents of this range. So what you do, you find an imbalance. And what is an imbalance? Well, if you look here real close, On the previous 4-hour candle, the wick went right here. That's where the wick went to. And then this thing made a massive move during that 4-hour section. The next 4-hour candle came down to take out some of the downside liquidity, right? So the sell side liquidity, it came down only to halfway of this candle though. So what did it do? It left what's called an imbalance, a giant gap between this wick and that wick. And that is literally the only one that we could find. If you look everywhere else in the charts, there's wicks covering everything essentially, okay? And then this one, the price had already come down to fill that one. But this was our last imbalance that needed to be filled. And we had called that out. And then sure enough, just recently, the price came all the way down to our spot. I mean, almost to the cent. In fact, 65 cents, 64 cents. So basically right on the penny of where we knew it was coming to. And then that was also a signal for us that the uptrend was going to start. And so if we take, you go ahead, close that off so you don't see that. And we turn our trend line. This is positive for us too. You can see the trend is starting to trend up. Now we have a trend line that we can kind of follow on where the price is going to be going. So soon the price will be jumping back up to here. We have continuous days in a row now of positive price action on the 4-hour charts. It did do a little consolidation, came down and gave us a new spot. But this is a new, so from here, we're going up. So this is a new higher high from here, right? This one came down. This is a new higher low. This one right here, it is not a new higher high yet. So that is one of our things that we are waiting for, right? So this may be a little touch and go, but we need to see it come back and break above that $5, $6 body close. Because before there's been some wicks closing there, we want to see the body closing above that. And then we know that we can actually start moving in that upside direction. So keep an eye on that. Good thing is it did break below that 88 cents mark, and then it came back and broke below that 88 cents mark here again, but did not drop all the way back down below. So that is a good sign for the momentum going forward. Plus we have this positive news. Let's go take a look at the Vortex score and see what we've got going over there. All right, so here we go over at Markets Pro from Cointelegraph. We have a Vortex score of 61. And like I said, just yesterday, we were talking about this. It was all the way up to 78. When the Vortex score is that high, look at this, the price started to climb. Now we're getting to a 61. The price is coming down, but that doesn't mean it's going to be dropping all the way down to where it was. What we want to make sure is that it has that little check and then run. We want to remember, break above that $5. Right now, market cap, we've moved into the 5 position for XRP. We're at $46 billion. Right now, the volume for the 24-hour volume is $6 billion in trading, which it is down, but we do have a Memorial Day weekend right now here in the US. Obviously, worldwide trading is still continuing. The tweets are down. The last news that came out was a partnership 11 days ago. And that's pretty much it as far as news besides the article we just read. Latest from Cointelegraph is this price analysis we're reading right now. And then also court denies SEC access to Ripple's legal advice, which is what we just covered. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you guys are wanting to find the #1 way to make money online, go over to winwithryan.com, sign up for our Make Money newsletter, and that will bring you to the Make Money newsletter landing page. All you do is simply fill in your information here, click Get Access. That is going to take you to the thank you page, and this is where you can join my team. Just simply click here, and this will take you over to this is going to take you over to the Sales Vision Sales and Marketing University. It is free to get signed up. All you have to do is come on over here, get your free guest pass, and they will teach you everything that you need to know to make money online. So that way you can get some capital to pump into crypto. This has been a program I've been doing for over 12 months now. Absolutely love it. I think you'll enjoy it as well. Thank you so much. winwithryan.com. Go ahead and get started. Talk to you later.